Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue of the profile view option not appearing within the TikTok app. This feature allows us to see who visited our profile through an icon that appears on the main profile screen, right next to the magnifying glass. Generally, to enable this option, we need to access the menu icon, then go to Settings and Privacy. On this screen, navigate to the Privacy section, and as you scroll, you'll find the famous Profile Views option. To see who visits your profile, you need to have this option enabled. However, some users encounter the problem of this option not appearing at all. The first recommendation is to check if there is an available update for the app. To do this, go to the Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and see if there's an update available. If there isn't any, the next recommendation would be to go to the app drawer, find the TikTok icon, press and hold it, and enter the app info section, represented by the circle with an I inside. Here, go to Storage and Cache, and clear both the cache and storage. Doing this will require you to log back into the app when you open it again. Simply tap Start Watching and go to the Profile section. Log in with your account, then go to your profile and check the privacy settings. Scroll to see if the Profile Views option is available. If the option still doesn't appear, you will need to uninstall the app and install an earlier version that you remember working correctly. To do this, visit the following website. Use the magnifying glass to search for the TikTok app, choose one of the listed variants, and scroll a bit to find a list of all the updates released to date. Select one from, for example, last month, and try it out. Once installed, disable automatic updates by going back to the Play Store, entering the TikTok app settings, tapping the three dots, and unchecking automatic updates. This way, until a new update is released that fixes this problem, you will have the Profile Views function available within the privacy settings. So, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.